Your views have stopped? This is so frustrating. Look, from 0 to 1,000,000 views. The secret is an SEO fix. I'll show you how to get more views. Stay till the end. The secret? Target keywords and ride the trends. Use this strategy and go viral.
SEO means search engine optimization. Simply put, SEO is the process of helping your video appear when people search on YouTube. Example: if someone searches AI tools for students, prompt engineering tutorial, motivation shorts, the videos that appear on top are SEO optimized videos. YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world, with billions of daily searches. So if your video is optimized, YouTube shows it to the right audience. Why SEO is important. Imagine two creators. Creator A uploads video randomly. Creator B uploads video with SEO. Result: Creator A got 50 views. Creator B got 50,000 views. Because YouTube algorithm looks for click-through rate, CTR, watch time, engagement, keywords relevance. If these are optimized, your video can grow for months or years. Real example of SEO, viral video, example. Someone uploads video, AI tool, very generic. Now compare with SEO, title. 5 free AI tools students must use in 2026. Which one will you click? Second one. Because, clear, specific, searchable. This is SEO psychology. How to do SEO, step by step.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like and comment below. Thanks for watching.
Why do some YouTube videos get 10 views and others get 10 million views? The difference is not luck. It's a secret strategy called SEO, and today I will show you exactly how YouTubers use SEO to make videos go viral, even with 0 subscribers.
How to do SEO, step by step. Step 1, keyword research. Find what people search. Example, search in YouTube, AI tools. YouTube will show suggestions like AI tools for students, AI tools free, AI tools productivity. These suggestions are real search queries. Step 2, create clickable title. Bad title, SEO tips. Good title, 10 YouTube SEO secrets that made my video go viral. Keep titles under 60 characters and include the keyword early. Step 3, strong thumbnail. Your thumbnail decides 70% of clicks. Best thumbnails. Big text, emotion, high contrast colors. Example, text, 0 to 1 million views. Step 4, description SEO. Add keywords in description. Example, YouTube SEO tutorial, YouTube growth strategy, YouTube algorithm. This helps YouTube understand your content. Step 5, tags. Use 3 high-volume tags, 7 long-tail tags. Tags help YouTube categorize your video. SEO for YouTube Shorts. Shorts SEO is slightly different. Important factors. Hook in first 1 second. Trending topic. Retention. Replays. Hashtag strategy. Use only 3 to 5 hashtags. More than 15 hashtags may get ignored by YouTube. Best formula: 2 general hashtags, 2 niche hashtags, 1 viral hashtag. Example, hashtag shorts, hashtag YouTube, growth, hashtag YouTube. SEO, common SEO, mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Keyword stuffing, misleading titles. Too many hashtags, bad thumbnails. These reduce CTR and ranking. How to find trending keywords. Use these tools. 1. vidIQ. 2. TubeBuddy. 3. Google Trends. 4. YouTube search suggestions. 5. Keyword tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush have huge keyword databases for SEO research. Secret viral formula. The real YouTube growth formula. Keyword plus CTR plus retention equals viral video. If people click and watch longer, YouTube pushes your video to more people.
Want to go viral? Here's the formula. Keyword plus CTR plus watch time equals viral video. Watch the analytics explode. The YouTube algorithm spreads your video to millions. If you learned something valuable today, make sure to like this video because it tells YouTube this video is helpful, and subscribe for more powerful YouTube growth. Next video I will show you how small channels get 1 million views, so don't miss it. Hey everyone! please subscribe to my channel. Just click this button right here. And don't forget to turn on notifications. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support.